Hello and welcome to AllMyOption. As you know, choosing a crypto exchange is a time-consuming, a difficult job. So in this video, we compare 5 crypto exchanges. So this video is only for educational purposes, not a financial advice. So we reviewed MEXC, Bitget, Bybit, and CoinEx, Poloniex exchanges. Let's see what is our review criteria. So we use main use cases, fees, products, security and transparency, beginner friendliness, and main risks for each platform. So let's start with MEXC. As you know, MEXC is known for low spot and future fees with a coverage of more than 3,000 altcoins with high leverage futures. And you see the key numbers here, the taker and maker fees. Let's skip this part. MEXC is best for altcoin hunters, low fee traders, and active future traders. The main risks at MEXC are high leverage risk, volatile low cap tokens, and it's not ideal for complete beginners. MEXC is strong for low fees and broad altcoin access, but high leverage and speculative tokens increase risk. The next exchange is Bitget. Bitget is known for copy trading future products and a platform built for both beginners and professional traders. The key features at Bitget are copy trading, future trading, more than 800 cryptocurrencies with a native token of BGB. So in their security focus, they focus on user protection systems. Bitget is best for beginners who want to learn from other traders and traders who want futures, leverage, and advanced trading tools. So the traders who want to learn from other traders, this is the copy trading concept as you know. The strengths of Bitget are easy copy trading for beginners, many trading tools, high leverage for future traders, large selection of coins and pairs. BGB token gives a fee discount. So if you use their native token, which is BGB, you get a fee discount. The main risks at Bitget are copy trading is not risk-free. So the first risk is copy trading per se. High leverage can lead to big losses. Future trading is not for beginners. Market volatility can impact results. And finally, do your own research before sign up. So let's see Bitget at a glance. Bitget was founded at 2018 with 10 million users throughout the world with more than 800 supported coins, 900 spot pairs, and max leverage at Bitget is 125 times. The KYC is required at Bitget, and the platform supports web, iOS, and Android. So our rating for this exchange is 8.2 out of 10, which is a good number, as you know. The next exchange is Bybit. Bybit is known for advanced trading environment, spot and derivatives trading, active trader tools, and the fee discount with MNT. So as you know, MNT is mantle crypto. Yes, I don't know if it's their native token, but they have a fee discount with MNT. Bybit is best for active traders, derivative users who want advanced tools, and traders who compare fee discount. You see the key numbers here, maker and taker fees. The leverage is 100 times. The risks are high leverage risk, not ideal for complete beginners. And they have regional restrictions for some countries. Overtrading risk on advanced platforms. So they also have overtrading risk. Again, Bybit was founded at 2018. The reserve model is 1-to-1. The max leverage is 100 times. And as you see, the spot fee is 0.1 and the future fee is 0.2 up to 0.05. The MNT, as I mentioned, which is mental crypto, discount is 25% for spot and 10% for futures. And our rating for this exchange is 8.3. So the next exchange we reviewed is CoinEx. CoinEx is known for global crypto exchange, spot and futures trading, earn and reward features. In this, actually, as you see in the previous video, we mentioned their earn and reward features. Their native token is CET, so they have a fee discount if you use CET, which is their native token. Let's see who is CoinEx best for. For users who want a simple global exchange, traders who want spot and future access, users interested in earn features, traders who compare token-based fee discount. So let's see the key numbers here. As you see, the CET discount is 20% for spot only. The leverage is 100 times. And the main risks are spot fees are higher than some competitors. High leverage risk, regional availability may vary. Some of the fee numbers may differ based on your region. Users should check withdrawal rules and product terms. So before using CoinEx, check withdrawal rules. So CoinEx has claimed that it has more than 10 million users throughout the world, supporting more than 200 countries and more than 500 coins. The trading pairs surpass 1,500. The reserve model is 1-to-1, and the spot fee is 0.2. For future fees is 0.03. So our rating for this exchange is 8.1 out of 10, which is not bad. The final exchange is Poloniex. Poloniex is known for older crypto exchange. It's one of the older crypto exchanges in the world. They support spot margin futures trading. Their native token is TRX. So they have fee discounts if you use TRX, their basic crypto trading access. Who is it best for? Users comparing all their exchanges, traders who want spot and future access, users interested in TRX fee benefits, traders who verify rules carefully. And here you see the key numbers. Their maximum leverage is up to 100 times. And they have minus 30% if you use TRX. So, as I mentioned, it's one of the oldest exchanges in the world, founded at 2014. They support more than 400 spot assets. So their products are spot margin futures. Their spot fee is 0.2%. Their future fee is 0.01%. And if you use TRX, you will enjoy the 30% discount. Our rating is 7.9 out of 10. So here you can see our final comparison. So I prefer to leave it to you. And finally, please subscribe to our channel and wait for our next video. Thank you very much.